Last year, Land Rover has unveiled its latest flagship, the all-new Range Rover SUV. As expected, the next car to be unveiled is the next-generation Range Rover Sport, which will be built on the new MLA Flex modular platform. The engine range will overlap with the new Range Rover. It includes gasoline and diesel Ingenium engines, with power ranging from 250 horsepower to 400 horsepower, but also hybrid powertrains. There is also the powerful twin-turbo V8, producing 530 horsepower. An SVR version is also expected, a car that can get a 4.4-liter V8 biturbo engine from BMW, producing more than 600 horsepower. As the official images are yet to be released, we are showing you some very realistic renders that give some clues on the new Range Rover Sport design.